Hi everybody, and thank you for coming along on my very first, I'm going to call it joy journaling, okay? Because even though I think junk journaling is an adorable name, I love that, but I've never junk journaled, and I think this is, brings you a lot of joy to do stuff like this, so just a little play on words, okay? So, let's get started. Anyway, I just want to show you what I kind of, sort of pulled together, okay? So, it's going to be a combination of a January and February joy journal because my daughter's birthday was in January, my granddaughter's birthday is in February, matter of fact, today, and one of my granddaughters did a concert in January, so there's going to be a mix because it was a music concert, and so we're going to head and start it up. So I've got the Valentine on the front. How adorable is that, right? She is so cute. I printed that up at the library. If you haven't seen my video on the things that I printed up at the library, this is one of them. And I actually had planned on doing the journaling along with you, but I didn't realize that, it takes a little while to cut everything out. So next time I'll have everything all cut and then I can do it like on camera. So this I cut out of a book and it says Let's Party because it has the representation of the birthdays. And then I do have a cat, so the cat's there. And then there's the Valentine. Then we got some more birthday stuff. And I do plan on making an edge for the book. I haven't decided like if I'm going to put lace around the edge. I don't know yet. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. And what I did was I have a journal book from Dollar Tree. It's one of these, and I thought it was a pretty good size. So what I did was before I put this stuff on the front of it, I put some background stuff. Like I cut out some background paper. And yeah, I don't even know how, I'm trying to talk about it. I don't even know what to say, honestly. All right, I mean, because I've never done this before. Oh, look at that, just kind of came off a little bit. I think I have to glue that a little bit better. Let me do it right here. That's what I planned on doing anyway and with you guys, so now I can. So now you can see the book a little bit better. All right, so, and I got this glue stick at the Dollar Tree just yesterday. And so let me press that down really, really good. All right, I'm trying to give like some, depth, I guess you'd call it, to the book by making like little layers to it. So before we go to that page, yesterday I had the idea, how cute would it be to make a YouTube sign, right? So I just got some construction paper and I just did the red, that shape, and that for the white shape. So how cute is that? And then, I always get ideas for YouTube, so I put the light bulb there. And of course I love going on YouTube, so that was kind of to anchor it down too. Now, getting into this, I love fashion. I'm going to try to do my joy journal about everything that I love, and there's so many things, okay? So I love fashion and I love dolls, so that kind of, did a double because it's a doll. That doll's name is Sissy, and she's got some fashion on. And then we've got the hairdressing chair, and I'm a hairdresser. Let me see if I can try to, without dropping these scissors on top of my legs. Let me see here. Alright, so if you can see that a little bit better. And then, so part of the book represents me, obviously. And then my granddaughter, whose birthday is today, she loves Hello Kitty. And then I figured I'd just glue it around the edge. That was a card. And then I just put some things in there. So we've got the lady getting her makeup done at the, from the makeup guy. And then lady looking at cosmetics. And then this said some name on it for the beauty salon, so I just put Be Mine Beauty Salon. That's cute, right? What's this? This is, that's just the back of a piece of paper. And then I love pink, and that would be like a really cute piece of furniture for a salon, so I put that in there. And then I put that in there. I don't know why. It's just because it's pink and it's got a heart. And then I just love retro, and I'll probably end up using this in the journal at some point. And then there's a lady getting her hair combed out. And then there's a little Choco Cat. And let me put these back inside of that little pocket. So there. Alright, so let me turn the page here. Now this Valentine was too big to just put it there, so I put it like that, and then I kind of let it overlap. And then all of my grandkids, girls and boys, we love to shop, so that kind of reminds me of us running shopping. Oh my god, that's so cute. And then one of my granddaughters, the one that we went to the concert with, she loves photography, and the other one, which birthday is today, loves art, and then the one from birthday today loves cooking. The other one loves listening to records. She went, this was her singing at the concert. So I thought I'd put all that together, and then I'm going to try to fill in right here as well, because this is not done. And then I thought this was so cute, this Valentine. I'm trying to, incorporate different things on one page. So I'm looking at that as like a Valentine tree. And then I don't even know why I put the typewriter there. It's probably because of the keyboard on the phone, and then the music. And then I made my granddaughter some heart-shaped sunglasses for school for like the Spirit Day. So anyway, guys, that is where I am at this book. I do want to finish it for February, but today is the very last day of February, so I might have to play catch up with it. And in the meantime, I do want to tell you about a collab I'm in. So I wrote it down, so give me a second to get the paper. And just if you're wondering why these are kind of hanging in the background, because I think I'm going to use these for edging on certain things. I have so many things like books and whatever that I'm going through and throwing away. If I like the pages, I'll tear them out and then I get rid of the books. It's a good way to get rid of stuff that you don't even need, like magazines, But anyway, I'm going to be in a collab, okay? And the collab is going to consist of 3 channels. It's going to be, I wrote it down on a piece of paper, so let me see. Jamie Leisman, Perry Pickles Vlogs, and myself, and it's going to start next Tuesday. So it's going to be the first Tuesday in March, and if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be March 7th. And it's going to be called Journal Jubilee. It's an open collab. Anybody can join in on it. We're hosting it, but anyone can join in on it. So feel free to join in any Tuesday. And just use the hashtag Journal Jubilee. And in case I'm leaving anything out, go check out Perry Pickles Vlogs channel. And she's a little bit more, she has all the information on actually a video that she had put up this morning, which really gives it a good, good information and good details. So, anyway, guys, I just want to tell you about that. Like I said, if I'm leaving anything out, forgive me. But I just wanted to show you my February Joy Journal, okay? If I ever make a mistake and call it a junk journal, that's fine too, because, it's such a popular name. But anyway, guys, I just figured I would, hop on, show you what I've been doing. It's my very first time doing this, so if you got any tips for me, I'm all for it, okay? And thank you so much again, and thank you to Jen at Perry Pickles Vlogs and Jamie at Jamie Leisman, and for, including me in the collab that we're going to be doing, okay? The open collab. All right, guys, thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye now.